Good morning, Miss Naila. Thank you for the invitation. I'm very pleased to meet you in person and discuss this cooperation opportunity.
Alright, here is the situation. Behind our office building, there is a big plot of land, approximately 800 square meters. It has been utilized so far. We're considering turning it into a public parking area, but of course, we need professional partners to manage.
That sounds like a great opportunity, Miss Naila. The location is strategic near busy areas and has good access at CV Mandiri Parkindo. We have plenty of experience and managing land like this. May I ask what is the current condition of the land?
The land is already available, but there are no permanent building or facilities.
That's very suitable for us to manage. We can set up a ticket booth, information sync, CCTV, and automatic gate system within 2 weeks. Usually, after 2 types of cooperation, fixed rental or a profit-sharing model. Do you have a preference, Naila?
We're more interested in the profit-sharing model. It's safer and more flexible, but the usually revenue split.
Typically 60% for us, the operator, and 40% for the landowner. We will fully cover all operation costs and legal permits.
That sounds interesting. What will the estimate monthly income be?
Based on our survey, the area could generate around 10 to 12 million per month with an average of 100 vehicles per day. Income usually increases on weekends.
That sounds pretty promising, but I want to ensure that during the partnership, they are stay clean, safe, and well managed.
That is part of our standard commitment. We will assign trained staff, install surveillance camera, and make sure the area is kept clean every day.
Very well, I'm interested, but before we move forward, how about we go and take a look at the signal?
Of course, Miss Naila, I'm ready. Let's go take a look together.
Osnai.
Hi, Miss Yola, this is the place.
Wow, so wide and good. The land is very strategic, miss, and the access is clear and the size is sufficient. I estimate it can accommodate around 35 cars and 100 motorcycles.
Yes, we leave it unused all this time, but seeing its potential, will be time not to make us of it.
Okay, I agree. For starter, we can use the land in its current condition. Later, if traffic increases, we can discuss adding facilities like restroom and prayer rooms.
That makes sense. Where do you suggest the best entrance and exit?
I suggest in the entrance be on the east side and the exit near that big very well installed sign, direction board, and automatic barrier.
Alright, I also to have 5 parking slot reserved to office staff. Can that be arranged?
Of course, Miss Naila, we can mark the slot and include them in the cooperation agreement.
In the case, I agree. Let's process with the sign-in process next week.
Thank you very much for your trust, Miss Naila. We believe this cooperation will be successful and sustainable.
I believe so too, Miss Viola. Let's get started soon.
Bye.